Are your Klaviyo emails going out at all hours because your time zone is wrong? Learn how to fix it in under 60 seconds. We'll walk through 8 simple steps. Open your profile, go to Settings, click Account, find Time Zone, choose yours, and save. Start by clicking on your profile icon in the lower left corner. Then click on Settings. From there, click on Account. Now, look for the time zone setting on this page. Once you find it, click on the time zone dropdown. Type in the time zone you prefer. Just start typing. Click on US/Eastern from the suggestions. Finally, click Save, and you're all set. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.